How to enable dark mode on SoundCloud on PC. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for SoundCloud. Well, head over to the very first site. So right now you can see that the SoundCloud homepage is on light mode. Well, in order to enable the dark mode, tap on the three dot at the top right and then click on extensions. Click on open Microsoft Edge. Over here in the search bar, search for dark mode. From here you can select any of the dark mode extensions. Just tap on get. Click on add extensions. Once it has been done, go back to the home page of your SoundCloud. Well, there you can see that the dark mode has been enabled successfully. So that's it, and this was our tutorial today on how to enable dark mode on SoundCloud on PC. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.